Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing some upcycling over here. Now I ain't done nothing this week, y'all. I'm just gonna tell you the truth. So welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the button. But I ain't got nothing done. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what I am gonna be working on, which is these cargo pants. Okay. And I got some black like stretch material. I think I'm gonna try. If I don't make pants out of these, I think I'm gonna make a dress out of them. Because I don't know. I don't really have the fabric that I think I want for the cargo pants. But then again, I have this. But I don't know how that's gonna pan out. I don't know. It might work out. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below. You think I should do the black or do the beige? So let me show y'all the beige one more time. Okay, so that's what they look like, beige cream. I don't know which direction I want the pattern to go in. I've been so busy, and then the black again, as you can see, like a stretch net. Okay, I've been so busy, you guys, with work. This is the busiest time of the year for me. And I've also been training my puppy. Let me show you Winston. Say hi to the peoples, Winston. Say hi to the peoples. Say hi. Say hi, Winston. Oh, say hi. You want to say hi? Oh. Y'all, he clowning. He wants to bite all the time. And I get tired of him biting me, trying to bite and play. He just want to play, but I don't be wanting to play like that because he always trying to chew my fingers up when he got his own special toys. See? Here, where you want your toy? So that's Winston, and we are in potty training mode. Today was last night, should I say, was the first time he slept all night. So your girl been up every 2 hours for a week now. And yeah, so that's why I'm tired, and that's why I haven't been sewing, because I've had to figure out how to manage all over again, because it's like having a baby. Yeah, and your girl been tired. So I'm finally getting it back together. So I'm getting in this room and cut these pants out tonight, and then start to sew on them, hopefully, because they have pockets and everything. So once you see that again, there's I think I'm gonna do this rendition of the pants. And so yeah, they have pockets on the side. Let's see if y'all can see that. On the sides and on the back. And I might add some little extra pockets, because you know cargo pants in right now. And I need some really cute cargo pants. So I haven't ventured out and bought my own. So I'm gonna have to make some. So because I told y'all I wasn't gonna be buying nothing. So that means that I have to make them, and I have to use some of this fabric that I have. And so once I get to going with the sewing, I'll probably bring you guys back in. But I just wanted to stop in right now and say hi. I'm taking a break from work. I've been working all day, y'all. I'm an operations manager. This would pay the bills. And yeah, that's what I do. And everything ain't been operating the way it's supposed to be operating. So I gotta fix all of that. And then I have to drive up to Madison tomorrow. So that's gonna take away from my sewing time. So I probably won't really get sewing until like Friday or the weekend. So hopefully these are quick and easy to do. It does say that it is let me see if it's doesn't say whether it's an easy pattern on here or not, but it is New Look N6644 pattern, and I'm gonna do C. And yeah, I paid $6.59 because it was on sale. So that's what I'm gonna do this week. And also I'll put another picture of another item that I'm gonna work on. Don't know if I'm gonna finish it this week, but it is a Japanese street dress. And I got the idea from Renee, one of our subscribers, and she was kind enough to share with me some dresses, and they were really pretty. And so I have pulled together some pieces of that I planned on working with. So I'm gonna start with this white hoodie. Okay, so look at that. Got a hoodie on it. Okay, and I'm gonna extend from there. And it's gonna be a dress. So take a look at the picture again. Okay, and then I have this fabric that I ordered from Fabric Wholesale, African print. And I have these pillow shams, okay, which I think is really, really nice. Also gonna put these words on there. I'm gonna cut the words off. Got a little flash of orange there. I'm gonna, cut the strips off and use that. Okay, so yeah, it says love. Y'all can see that. Yeah, it says love on it. And then I'm going to add this word on it. It's an old raggedy shirt. I like to step, so I'm going to add the word stepper somewhere on the body of the dress. And then I'm going to cut off these sleeves because I'm never going to wear this jacket. I don't know what possessed me to buy it, but now I have some use for it. So we're going to revamp and use these puffy sleeves. So if you look at the dress again, you can kind of like see where I'm going with this. So yeah, and I got some black lace. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I might. You never know where I want to put it at, because I do want the dress to kind of like flow. Yeah, so it's working on, and yeah, not gonna hold y'all long, but I appreciate you guys. The channel is growing. The channel is growing. I am so happy that the channel is growing, and it's all because of you guys. And I appreciate you. I thank you for your support, and just keep on showing up and showing out, y'all. And we're gonna get to that 1,000 subscribers real soon. All right, because we at 413 right now. So let's do what we gotta do and bring some more people in, and I'll keep on trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing, what I'm gonna be making, and we're gonna go from there. But other than that, you guys have a great evening. It is probably Wednesday night that I'm recording this video, so it's pretty much real time. I'm gonna try to put it up tonight, and then you guys will probably see it on Thursday. No, I'm gonna put, yeah, some of y'all, I don't know what time y'all gonna be watching. I'm gonna look at the algorithm, find out what time y'all watch it, and post it then. So it'll be either tonight or sometime tomorrow, but I'm gonna look at when y'all watching the most, and that's the time frame that I'm gonna post it. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining me on J Sewtastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing the upcycle and we sewing, y'all. Yeah, we sewing. Finally, I'm sewing something. So don't hold me to it, because it's gonna be a struggle. Y'all know that. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a great weekend if I don't talk to you before then. But hopefully I will be able to talk to you at the end of the week. I do this all the time at the end, y'all. I'm supposed to go and I'll never go. But I hopefully I'll see y'all at the end of the week with either the dress or the cargo pants. Okay? All right, y'all. My make for January. All right. See y'all in the next video.